You are welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be solving differentiation using general method. The question says if y equals to 5x raised to the power of 10 plus 3x raised to the power of 6 plus x raised to the power of 3 plus 5, find the y dx. Okay, this is very simple. We have that y equals to 5x raised to the power of 10 plus 3x raised to the power of 6 plus x raised to the power of 3 plus 5. Okay, according to general method, if y is equals to x raised to the power of n, because y is a function of x, so if y equals to x raised to the power of 10, the y dx, if you differentiate y, it will give you that is, you use this power to multiply this x, you then subtract 1 from it. So the y dx equals to, you use this power to multiply it, that is n times x. You now subtract 1 from this power, n minus 1. So this will give you nx raised to the power of n minus 1. That is general method. So let's apply it here. We have the y dx, therefore the y dx is equals to, we said we use this power to multiply what is here, and you will then subtract 1 from the power. The same thing applicable to this. You use the power to multiply this, subtract 1 from the power. The same thing applicable to this. Use the power to multiply it, subtract 1 from the power. Why? Whenever you differentiate number, any number, as far as it is number alone, either 10, 20, 40, 5, 6, any number, it will give you 0. So the y dx, using the power to multiply it, it will give you, that is 10 times 5 will be 50 x raised to the power of what? 10 minus 1. You know, we said we will subtract 1 from the power. That will give you what? 9. Plus, you use this power to multiply it, subtract 1 from it. 6 times 3, that is what? That is what? 18 x raised to the power of 6 minus 1, 5. Plus 3 times x, that will be 3x. Subtract 1 from the power. If you subtract 1 from 3, that will give you 2. And we said that anytime you differentiate number, it will give you what? It will give you 0. If you differentiate, it will give you 10. Differentiate 10. Since it is 10 alone, it will give you 0. So our y dx is equals to this. Please do well to subscribe for more tutorial, like, comment, and share. Thank you.